Hi friends, so watching movie reviews with Raghuram. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Hindi movie Hathi Mera Saathi. No, that is not Rajesh Khanna's Hathi Mera Saathi, the old epic. This is Rana Daggubati's Hathi Mera Saathi. The Rana Daggubati from Bahubali fame, the Ballad Deva. Rana Daggubati plays the role of Bandev or Vandev in the movie. And as the name itself indicates, there are a lot of elephants. There is a big forest. There are a lot of elephants there. And those elephants are friends with our protagonist Bandev. That is the role played by Rana Daggubati. So this movie carries the message of ecosystem conservation, the love we need to show towards the forests, the animals living therein, how those animals, the flora, fauna, everything balances the nature and life on earth, and all those messages given in a lengthy movie of 2 hours 40 minutes plus. So as I said, Rana Daggubati plays the lead role of Bandev in the movie. He is called as Bandev, and people know him as Bandev or god of forest. They worship him, they admire him, they respect him. He has also been awarded by the President of India as the Forest Man of India. He has utmost love, chemistry and emotions with the elephants in the forest. He can also be called as Elephant Man. And elephants also love him. So he knows the language of animals, language of birds, language of elephants. He can communicate with them. He has grown up with them in the forest. He's an educated person, and that is Bandev for you. So his only aim, only motive in the life is to guard the forest and to guard the elephants and to protect them. And then we have Ananta Mahadevan playing the role of the villain, a very greedy politician who wants to construct a lavish town or township in between the forest, amidst the forest. And when Ananta Mahadevan comes up with the construction, it would deny the route, it would deny the pathway of the elephants going to their water resource and also to their breeding places. This annoys Bandev, and he warns them, he takes on the system, he goes to the law, he brings the stay, everything happens, and Bandev is arrested, and the politician plays his cards, he takes the law and everything, every department under his control, and finally builds whatever he wants there in the middle of the forest. So the elephants are ultimately put under pressure. Elephants are put under trouble because they don't have the regular pathway in which they go to assess water and food and also their breeding place. On the other hand, we have Pulkit Samrat, a Mahot, who is very greedy. He wants to earn fast money. He helps the politician and his accomplices to construct a wall around the construction or whatever township they are planning in the forest. He has a love story with Zoya Hussain, one of the so-called Naxalites in the forest. She and her brother are trying to protect the forest, protect the animals and also the elephants, just like Bandev, going on the pathway of their father to protect their tribe also. They have been named as Naxalites and branded out. So there is also a journalist who is helping Bandev, who is always with him. There is media trying to figure it out. Finally, Prime Minister of India has been invited to inaugurate the township amidst the forest. Will the township project come to success? Will Mr. Ananta Mahadevan be successful, or our Bandev be able to abolish that particular project, bring stay to that? Will the media help him? Will the elephants be protected? Will the wall be deconstructed? Will the elephants be able to live their normal life in the forest? What is the role of Pulkit Samrat there? What happens to the Naxalites who are also trying to help Bandev and his motives? And all these put together forms the rest of the story of Hathi Mera Saathi, which runs to a prolonged time, painful prolonged time of 2 hours 40 minutes plus. So coming to the positives of the movie, the cinematography of the movie is good. VFX is good at some places and really bad at some places. It looks cartoonish, and many scenes look like they have been created on the backdrop of green screen. Cinematography, as I said, is really good. The sound design is good. Elephants and the chemistry of Bandev, Rana Daggubati, is really good. Acting of Rana Daggubati, I should tell. I think this is one of the really good movies for Rana Daggubati to have displayed his acting potentials and acting skills. Rana Daggubati has come good in the movie. He's a forest man and also an educated man. At some scenes, he is really confused whether he has to behave like an educated person or like a forest person. His body language and also his attitude in the movie looks weird at times. But yeah, so that is maintained throughout the movie, and that looks quite normal for Rana Daggubati as Bandev in this particular movie, because those are the mannerisms he had developed being in the jungle along with the animals and developing love towards the elephants. It is good to see Ananta Mahadevan playing the negative role in the movie after so many years, and then elephants are good. Sometimes elephants look natural and sometimes they look toyish, but it's okay. So coming to the negative part of the movie, the length of the movie, 2 hours 40 minutes. Did you need that length to tell the story of ecosystem preservation or conservation, or give a message of the nature, love towards nature, love towards elephant and all? I don't know. The movie should definitely have been cut short by 40-45 minutes and should have been brought under 2 hours. Again, the motive of the movie makers is good, the concept is good, but they have landed up making a very lengthy movie. So since the movie is lengthy and the scenes are repetitive, it looks like a lazy movie, very lazy movie in most part of the movie, because the scenes are repetitive. People come for the construction in the jungle, Bandev comes and opposes them, he drives them away. Again they come, they try to construct, he tracks down some other way to prevent them, he goes to the law, he comes back, he stops them. Again they start reconstructing. 1.5 hour story is spent on this itself, the repetitive scenes, and it looks boring, sluggish, and weak story narration. Actually, there is no story in the movie at all. It is only about Bandev and his love towards elephant, whether he would protect them, whether he would secure their territory or not. That forms the story of Hathi Mera Saathi. That's it. And 2 hours 40 minutes plus is a long duration and a boring duration to watch the movie, to keep you engaging, to keep you glued to the chairs, and to create any interest. At a particular point, you will definitely lose the interest in watching the movie. The VFX and special effects are not up to the mark. They are really bad at some particular points, I should tell. So there is one scene in which there is a fight between Bandev, that is Rana Daggubati, and a police officer on a tree top. The way they climb the tree, the way they fight there, he has displayed the Bahubali skills there. Whatever he couldn't do in Bahubali, Rana Daggubati tried to do it here. And that particular scene, and that is one example, and many scenes when you see it looks really weird. The VFX looks really horrible. That was not needed at all. There was no need of creating a Tarzan out of Rana Daggubati. You could have shown him as a normal human being itself. So his style, his attitude, his walking gait with a slight limp, his hurriedness, his confusions are shown well. His emotions with the elephants, the bonding. As I said, Rana Daggubati has come good, but certain scenes make him look like a Tarzan or a superhero that wasn't required at all. Shriya Pilgaonkar is also in a key role, but that is not a big role of hers. Prabhu Solomon has directed Hathi Mera Saathi. Actually, coming to its backdrop, the movie actually was released in March 2021 in Tamil and Telugu. Tamil in the name of Kadan and Telugu in the name of Aranya, but the Hindi movie was not released in the theatres. So the Hindi version, Hathi Mera Saathi, had a direct-to-video release on Zee Cinema and Eros. So this is my take on Hathi Mera Saathi, Rana Daggubati starrer Hathi Mera Saathi, and thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.